Hi there, students. Assignment. Assign, the verb. Assessment. Assess. Notice both of these start with a schwa sound. Assignment. Assessment. So, an assignment is a mission, a task, a duty, a post, a job that you have been given to do. In English and in American as well, they very often use this word assignment to talk about the homework that you have been allocated to do. So your assignment for this week is to write a 300-word essay about euthanasia, pros and cons. Okay, so this is the work that has been assigned to you, given to you. Notice a reporter could be on assignment. The editor has sent him to Thailand to report about elephants. Okay, he's on assignment. This is the job, the mission that he has been given. Notice we can also use this word to assign or an assignment in legal English. This talks about the transfer of property, of a claim, a right, an interest in something from one person to another. The old man died and the assignment of the estate to his heirs took some time. Okay, you could assign a lease. Okay, a lease is a long rental contract, normally on a building, and maybe the lease is in my name and I can legally get that assigned to someone else. So the assignment of the lease. Okay, it can also talk about the actual document that has been signed to transfer. Okay, so to assign, to allocate. Sociologists very often assign people to different social groups. Okay, now let's look at assessment. To assess. An assessment is an evaluation, an appraisal, an opinion, a rating, yeah, and very often of a student's progress in a course. So I will make my assessment of your progress on how well you do this assignment, this homework. Okay, so an assessment. What's your assessment of the situation? The doctors sent the patient for further assessment, for further evaluation. Okay, for more opinions, more appraisal. Notice an assessment can also be an estimated valuation of something, particularly for tax purposes, or the evaluation of the amount payable, the amount that is deemed payable, deemed, decided, dictated. Okay, so he received a rather large tax assessment. So to assess is to give your opinion. An assessment is your opinion of a situation, of the progress of somebody, of how something is changing. Okay, so what's your assessment of the situation? Okay, so assignment, something given to someone to do, and assessment, to give an opinion of something. So your assignment is to make an assessment of the viability of this project. Okay, so assign comes from Latin, assignare, to allot. And to assess comes from a sedere, a meaning to or at, and sedere, to sit. I think in medieval Latin, assess or assessment was a word that meant to levy, to put tax. Okay? Now your next question, what about the formality of these? I think both of these words are neutral, maybe ever so slightly formal, but it's not relevant. And you can use them both in an informal conversation and a very formal document. These are regular, normal words, okay? And they're very flexible as to formality. So, an assignment, your homework, the work that you've been given. An assessment, your evaluation, your opinion, your rating of something. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Assignment, assign, assessment, assess.